people who wants to transition to freelancing, kung ano yung nakikita nila na hype or kung ano yung sinasabi na malaki daw yung pera, yun yung gusto nilang gawin. I personally think na medyo mali yung way that we are doing our skill inventory. Minsan, wala pa talagang nangyayaring skill inventory. Kung ano na lang yung nakita natin na uso, kung ano yung madali, kung ano yung malaki yung pera, yun yung gusto nating pag-aralan. While hindi natin naiintindihan na bakit Facebook ads yung gusto kong gawin? Ang dami-daming platform kagaya ng Google, Instagram, TikTok na nagbo-boom ngayon na kailangan marunong din ako mag-run ng ads. That's why when people were asking me to start a training that's specifically for Facebook ads, I'm like, bakit Facebook ads ba? Hindi ko pa naiintindihan ng una until it came to my attention that, okay, the reason why people wants to do Facebook ads is because mali yung pagkaka-hype. Just wanna call the attention of freelancers na gustong boost yung career nila dito sa media buying path na to. If you guys want to learn how to run ads, you have to be able to do it sa iba't ibang platforms. Lalo na kung ang market ninyo ay yung mga businesses na nag-o-offer ng products. Pwede naman siya for services, but right now, we really have to pay attention to those businesses na start up at hindi pa nila alam kung paano nilang ipepresent yung sarili nila as someone who's either an expert or the best in the field sa kung anumang industriya yung nandun sila. Today's digital landscape, it is important that people learn how to do PPC advertising, which is a type of media buying na naging essential tool na for businesses to reach their target audience. Pinakang gusto ko sana muna na gawin ninyo is number 1, pag-aralan nyo muna yung basics. Bakit nga ba importante ang media buying? Bakit may ads? Because sa digital marketing, meron 3 bagay na sumasakop. May earned, may paid, may owned. Pero may naiiwan na isa. And so when we do, again, our skill inventory, this is something that you might want to focus on. Because as a freelancer, mastering PPC gives you a competitive edge. It actually opens up doors to a wide range of industries. Hindi niyo lang nililimit yung sarili ninyo sa Facebook na platform. And whether you're in marketing, e-commerce, consulting, or kahit ano pang field yan, yung PPC expertise can propel your freelancing business to greater heights. Knowing how to run PPC or pay-per-click ads is something that each freelancer should have at the very least an idea of. You can also help them increase their online visibility, you targeted traffic to their website, you generate leads, and ultimately, all of these will lead to boost in sales. At yun yung goal ng mga businesses ngayon. PPC skills in your toolkit, you stand out from the crowd and attract high-paying clients. You'll have the power to create impactful ad campaigns, optimize conversion rates, and achieve measurable results that will impress your clients and keep them coming back for more. The beauty of PPC or pay-per-click advertising is it's very versatile. So whether you're freelancing in fashion, technology, health, or any other industries, PPC provides a direct path to your target audience. Kasi you'll be able to reach potential clients After mo tanungin yung sarili mo, alin ba dun sa 5? Admin, creatives, tech support, or sales. Ang napili mo is admin at creatives, then PPC is for you. If you guys wanna join, click nyo lang yung link sa bio ko. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, click nyo lang to. At kung nasa Facebook ko kayo, i-check nyo yung caption. Sa YouTube naman, nasa description box lang yung link. It will then take you to this page where it will say, asa na yun? PPCVA, 999 pesos lang siya. 2-day class ito, 4 hours each class, and you guys will have 2 weeks of internship. So yes, pwede nyo pong i-add sa portfolio ninyo kung ano yung matututunan ninyo dun sa 2 weeks na internship na yon. Pagkatapos, you guys will have to attend application book kung saan tuturuan namin kayo kung paano maghanap ng clients. You'll have final activity kung saan i-collate natin lahat ng natutunan ninyo from training to application book, and we will have our mock interview pagkatapos saka namin ibibigay ang inyong certificate. And again, this class is this weekend na. So closing na po tayo. If you haven't enrolled, please check out the link and we'll see you at the classroom. Bye! Comment nyo na lahat ng questions ninyo dito sa video na to. Again, last and final call because this class is closing na. So, mag-join na kayo because next month, hindi ko alam kung anong schedule pa. Hindi pa namin napaplot. But hopefully, meron pa ulit bagong schedule. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!